Hello friends, today's video is about how to maintain or take care of the skipping rope or jump rope that you have. Many people have complained that their ball bearing gets damaged, the swivel mechanism get damaged. Okay, by the way, this is my oldest one. Now this has a swivel mechanism, again a metal thing. Okay, this is a Nictar skipping rope or purchased online. This also has a ball bearing. Okay, and this is uh, also has a ball bearing but does not have a hook over here. Okay, this also has a ball bearing. Now how to do servicing or take care of your or do the maintenance of this type of thing. We all have ancestral properties. You will have to invest 2 drops from your ancestral property. This is my ancestral property. Okay, so what to do is, now I sweat a lot, so to prevent rusting, take two few drops of ancestral property on a cloth and wipe it. This is the place where I okay, wipe it. Wiped. Now put 2 drops inside the mechanism, just 2 drops. Okay, and rotate it. Wow, rotate it like this. You should be doing this thing right from the day you purchase this. These are metals. The life of metal increases by the use of oil and grease. Do not use grease in this thing. The problem of grease is the dust sticks in grease. This will also stick, but grease is very sticky, and grease is actually used for heavy load metals where the load is very high. This is just a skipping rope, so you won't have to bother too much about the load. Simple oil will be sufficient enough to lubricate them. This side also do the same thing. Okay, this will prevent your material from rusting also. 2 drops again inside, 1 2. Okay, rotate this, rotate it like this also. You should oil them after every 2 days. This is to eliminate the dry friction. Okay, because when they are dry, it is very common thing that the friction will be more. This one again, I'll put 2 drops of oil, 1 2. Okay, so now, wow, like this also, 2 drops. Now this also the same thing. This has a this is the ball bearing. You see, I hold this over here, and this is a ball bearing. So put 2 drops here, and this went inside. See, now since the rope is inside, it does not have a hook mechanism. If I rotate this, this will get jerk. See, which is why it is not rotating freely. Same thing over here. So this is how I maintain my skipping ropes. Okay, and they serve me very nicely. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Again, purchase links of these type of skipping ropes are given in the description box. Thank you so much.